Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear respectful speakers, a warm welcome to all of you in this conference tonight from London. And I will be hosting this conference. And as you know, I'm gonna try to give you a brief introduction to our distinguished speakers. First of all, Dr. Muna Ismail. She's a program manager for Initiative of Change in UK. Tonight, her topic will be loss of biodiversity in the Somalia Range and Highlands. And our second guest speaker will be Dr. Maxamed Abdul Qadir Gedi, Research Fellow, School of Bioscience, University of Nottingham Hill, UK. And his topic will be the negative impact of plastics on Somalia's environment. And followed by Ms. Sagal Behi, MB Federal Parliament House of the People, former chair of Human Rights, Gender and Humanitarian Committee. Yeah? The topic she's gonna explore today will be climate change and its impact on Somali's vulnerable groups. And follow will be Mr. Abdi Aziz Mohammed Ahmed, Associate Dean, Faculty of Agriculture and Environment of Amud University in Somaliland. And if I forgot to mention where each of the speakers came, and I think the previous and Muna was from UK, Maxamed Abdul Qadir was from UK as well, and Ms. Sagal Behi was from Somalia. And if I follow my pattern, and I was saying Abdul Aziz Mohammed Ahmed, Associate Dean, Faculty of Agriculture, Environment of Amud University in Somaliland. And his topic will be green energy and sustainable development, the way forward. And the next speaker will be Dr. Abdisalam Sheikh Hassan, MS in Somali Acacia from University of Oxford, PhD from University of Reading in UK. And his topic will be water scarcity and its effect on the environment. And Dr. Mohammed Rashid, Dean of Faculty of Agriculture and Environmental Science, Somali National University, Mogadishu in Somalia. His topic will be Somalia's alarming deforestation. And the final one, a speaker will be Honor Dr. Abdi Hassan, MB, Chairperson of East Africa Parliamentary Alliance for Food Security and Nutrition. And is a long acronym that is EA-BAT-FSN. Yeah. His topic will be Somalia past and the present laws on environmental protection. And as you may know, and the topic of today's conference will be emerging environmental issues in Somalia, causes and potential responses. And in addition, let me introduce you as well, the main facilitator of this online conference, and Mohammed Dahir, and who is director of HESDA, and also will be speaker. And Hamza Abdullahi is our conference technician and Q&A or question and answer moderator. Myself, Mohammed Boqorey, coordinator of HESDA, chair of the conference tonight. Okay, before we start the conference, I would like to remind you, everybody, the following steps in order to make our online conference go smoothly as possible. And the first one will be strongly advise all speakers to adhere on their 10-minute presentation and to respect, in other words, 10 minutes in the time of presentation. In case of technical difficulties, chair will give the floor to the next speaker, and the late will get his or her slot at a convenient time. And for any other issues, please send a message to the Zoom chat and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. Finally, I will be chairing the conference tonight, as I said to you before, and good luck. And the conference will be starting very shortly. And the agenda of the conference will be shared. And I assume that we send you the agenda, but what we have slightly made some changes because of the time. And now what I'm gonna do is to hand over to the chair, and as you see, the first speaker and director of HESDA, to give you a brief history of HESDA and the objective of the conference. Please welcome Maxamed to the conference. Sorry.